It is time to take the Petrified out of these barrels, while this one continues to roll for another week. Well, here are the 3 barrels. Upon initial inspection, things are looking quite well. It's not looking well out there, though. Been raining almost every day now for the past week. But that's okay. I'm inside the shop, here right at the door, and we're going to get these dumped out and see what they look like. Okay, time to rinse these off. Again, difficult to do one-handed, but I'll make it do. Now keep in mind, we do have a lot of the filler material in here. And I don't think I'm going to run the filler material through the polisher. But petrified wood, nice and smooth. There is no grit left over. It is looking quite nice. So, that one's got a crack in it. So, let me go ahead and get this finished cleaned up, get it dumped out, and then I will get these other ones dumped out, and then I will bring you guys back on the workbench with these dumped out. Okay, here is the 3 barrels worth. I've pulled out the filler, and then I dried it on a quick little heater. This way here I can inspect things faster. There will be problems in the polishing process of this. You can see the cracks. You can see these divots and those cracks right there. You can see issues with this. This big one, there's going to be some serious issues with that. But I dried them out so I could inspect them to make sure that I have all the grit out. This one here, I actually do not. If you look down inside there, you can see some of the grit still in that hole. So this one here is a reject for right now. I could do some work on it. I could throw it out in the flower garden. Don't know. But I wanted to make sure I go through there and find the ones with rejects that are rejects so I can deal with them accordingly. Now I have taken some and pulled them out. I'm going to attempt to make cabochons out of these. So that will turn out interesting. But yes, this here, again, is 3 barrels worth. About 1/3 to 1/2 of this pile will go through the polishing process, and in 5 days we will see results. I might be selective on what I put in there on this first round. Put in some of the better quality pieces. See, that there may not have too many issues with the polish. but we will find out. We will go through the process. See, I do not burnish, and this might be the time where I have to, but my cleaning process I have done very well with. Is there grit in that? Let's see if we get her to focus. There we go. I don't see grit in there. Okay. Basically, that's what I'm doing. Just again, making sure that there is no grit. And if I even think there could be, then it will get rejected and I'll do a different cleaning on it. And this is why some petrified wood just doesn't tumble very well. This could be the mistake by attempting to do this. It could be such a pain in the butt to clean the polish out of the cracks that it might be a mistake to waste my time doing this. But we won't know. But in 5 days, we'll have a pretty good idea. 5 days, that's all it's going to take. 5 days, and we are going to have, hopefully, some pretty cool looking, shiny petrified wood in 5 days. Yeah, I hope so. Still, I am not 100% convinced that this was not a mistake. They may have been better off left in their raw state. So here is a representation as a reminder of what we started with. And this is where we're at after medium grit. So, get these going in 500 grit aluminum oxide pre-polish. After that, then it'll be an aluminum oxide polish. Then, the reveal. So, in about a week from now, we will have the reveal. Boy, that's interesting. Set that down. Sorry, I get distracted with pretty rocks. Okay, everybody, I'm going to let you guys go. We've seen the progress where we started with material that looks like this. Go through wondering what to do after the first round of Coarse Grit. So we decided to do the second round of Coarse Grit. Then on into a medium grit. And here we are, ready to start the polishing process with pre-polish next, followed up by just a regular polish. So just remember, everyone's life is an adventure. Then there's mine sitting here, staring at halfway completed, well, more than halfway completed, petrified wood. This is the Adventures of Jaws Jr. Have a good one, everybody. See ya!